some glasses.
I don't have any glasses for him.
Oscar getting clothes that are obviously not long enough for his body.
Yeah, button him up.
Run over, wiener dog. Let's get you all buttoned up. Proper. Tuck that thing in.
Oscar dog. Hi.
Go show Dad.
Hey, hey.
Dad!
Look.
Mike! Come
Oscar.
here, quick.
Oscar.
Hold on.
You're abusing the poor puppy. Oh.
I think he really likes this.
No, I think he's thoroughly enjoying it, I can tell.
That's why he's struggling so much.
Oscar, you poor puppy.
Oscar.
Are they shaming you? Are they shaming you, huh? Are they shaming their poor baby? Oh, you poor baby.
Oscar.